Turn website links into viral videos automatically. Content hack. From digital dust to internet dynamite. Let's be brutally honest. The internet is a noisy, overcrowded bazaar where attention is the rarest, most valuable currency. You craft a brilliant blog post, an insightful article, a product page that practically sings, and then crickets, or worse, the deafening silence of the algorithmic abyss. Getting eyeballs glued to your static text feels like trying to teach quantum physics to a goldfish, noble but fundamentally doomed. What if you could wave a digital wand and transform that lonely URL into a pulsating, thumb-stopping video primed for virality? Sounds like alchemy, right? Buckle up, Buttercup, because the future is knocking, and it's holding an AI-powered video generator. This isn't just a tip. It's a content hack poised to revolutionize how we breathe life into our digital assets. The problem: static pages in a hypersonic video world. Our brains are hardwired for movement, emotion, and story. We devour video content like it's oxygenated candy. TikTok dances, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts. These platforms aren't just popular. They fundamentally rewired our consumption habits. Meanwhile, your meticulously researched 2,000-word opus sits there like a beige wall in a neon arcade. It's not that the content isn't valuable. It's that the format is fighting an uphill battle against billions of years of evolutionary programming that screams, OH, shiny, moving. Manually converting text to video? Possible, yes. Efficient? About as efficient as building a skyscraper with toothpicks. It requires design skills, video editing prowess, voiceover talent, or tolerating text-to-speech that sounds like a depressed robot, sourcing visuals, syncing audio, agonizing over transitions. The list is longer than the terms and conditions nobody reads. The friction is immense. The result? Most valuable text content gathers digital dust, its potential for massive reach untapped. The hack: enter the AI video alchemist. This is where the magic, or rather, the sophisticated machine learning, kicks in. Imagine feeding a simple website link to a digital cauldron. Inside, algorithms crackle and hum. 1. The mind reader: content ingestion and analysis. The AI doesn't just read your page, it comprehends it. It identifies the core topic, extracts key points, pinpoints the main arguments or product benefits, and even gauges the overall tone. Is this serious academia or playful listicle? It's like having a hyper-literate intern who actually understands the assignment. 2. The storyteller: narrative structuring. Raw text isn't a video script. The AI acts as a narrative architect, structuring the extracted information into a compelling video flow. It identifies a hook, often the most surprising or benefit-driven point, builds the argument or story logically, and crafts a clear call to action. Think of it as your personal Joseph Campbell for the TikTok generation. 3. The visual Maestro: asset generation and sourcing. This is where the real sorcery happens. The AI doesn't just slap stock photos together. Using the analyzed content and narrative structure, one generates original scenes. Advanced tools, think Runway ML, Pika Labs, or integrated features in platforms like Pictory, Synthesia, or InVideo, can create unique video sequences based on text prompts derived from your content. Need an illustration of the frustration of slow website loading? Boom! A short, original animation of a person angrily tapping their foot, generated on the fly. 2 sources: Smart Stock. It intelligently selects relevant, high-quality stock footage and images from vast libraries, matching the tone and content of your narrative. No more pictures of people in business suits awkwardly shaking hands for an article about llama farming. 3 creates dynamic motion graphics. Text overlays animate smoothly. Charts and graphs materialize to visualize data points. Icons zoom in and out for emphasis. All automatically styled to look cohesive and professional. 4. The voice audio synthesis gone are the days of Siri-esque monotones. Modern AI voices are scarily natural. The AI selects a voice, male, female, various accents, tones, energetic, calm, authoritative, that fits your content, and synthesizes a smooth, engaging voiceover reading the script it crafted. Some platforms even let you clone your own voice. 5. The conductor, editing and syncing the AI seamlessly stitches it all together. Visuals appear precisely as the voiceover mentions them. Music swells appropriately, often chosen from royalty-free libraries based on the video's mood. Text highlights key takeaways. Transitions are smooth. The pacing is optimized for engagement. It's like having a tireless, caffeine-fueled editor working at light speed. The viral spark, why this hack ignites. So, you dump in a URL and get out a video. Big deal. Why is this potentially viral gold? 1. Format equals king and queen. In gesture, you're instantly speaking the native language of the biggest attention platforms: TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, Facebook Stories. The algorithm gods smile upon video. 2. Democratize production. Stunning visuals and professional editing are no longer gated behind expensive software or years of training. Anyone can now create visually compelling content that looks like it had a budget. This levels the playing field dramatically. 3. Speed to market. What took hours or days now takes minutes. See a trending topic related to your niche? Convert a relevant blog post into a video and be riding the wave before your competitors have finished their morning coffee. Agility is key to virality. 4. Repurposing overdrive. This is the ultimate content multiplier. That cornerstone blog post? It's now 5 different short-form videos highlighting key points, a longer explainer video, and social snippets. One piece of text fuels an entire video campaign. Talk about ROI. 5. Engagement amplifier. Video inherently captures more senses. Motion, sound, visuals, text overlays. It's an immersive experience that boosts comprehension, retention, and emotional connection compared to static text. Higher engagement equals happier algorithms equals wider reach. 6. The how do they do that? Factor. When done well, AI-generated videos can have a unique, slightly futuristic aesthetic that piques curiosity. People might share it just because it looks cool and novel. The comical caveats, because perfection is boring and AI is weird. Let's not don rose-tinted VR goggles just yet. This hack is powerful, but it's not infallible magic. Embracing its quirks is part of the fun and the strategy. The literal-minded machine. Tell it your article is about crushing your goals, and you might get visuals of actual hydraulic presses flattening small objects labeled goals. Proofreading the AI's interpretation of metaphors is crucial unless you want unintentional abstract art. Stock photo roulette. Sometimes the AI's choice of stock footage is interesting. That article on finding inner peace might inexplicably feature a woman serenely meditating atop a washing machine during the spin cycle. Always preview. Robotic rhythm. Sometimes while voices are better, the cadence can occasionally slip into slightly too enthusiastic game show host or tranquilized professor. Fine-tuning voice speed and choosing the right tone helps. Embrace the weirdness for comedic effect sometimes. The deep dive dilemma. Complex, nuanced arguments can get oversimplified. The AI might miss subtle humor or sarcasm entirely. turning your witty takedown into a straightforward, slightly confused summary. Hack refinement. Use the AI output as a draft. Human oversight for nuance, accuracy, and injecting your unique personality is non-negotiable. The uncanny valley of animation. AI-generated characters or scenes can sometimes enter the eerie zone where they're almost real, but not quite, inducing mild existential discomfort instead of engagement. Use judiciously. Originality on shaky ground. While generating scenes, AI is remixing what it's learned. Truly groundbreaking visual concepts still need a human artist for now. Think of it as an incredibly fast, talented collaborator, not a complete replacement. Hacking the hack. Pro tips for maximum virality. Turning a link into a video is step 1. Turning it into a viral video requires strategy. 1. Prime your source. Before hitting generate, optimize your source article. 2. Command the AI. Don't just drop the link. Provide guidance. Focus on the top 3 benefits. Use a fast-paced, energetic tone. Target an audience of busy entrepreneurs. Include data visualizations for point number 4. The more specific your instructions, the better the result. 3. Human touch is non-negotiable. This is critical. The AI provides the raw clay. You're the sculptor. 1. Edit ruthlessly. Trim fluff. Tighten the script. Fix awkward phrasing. 2. Fact check. AI can hallucinate details. Verify stats and claims. 3. Inject personality. Add your humor, your unique perspective, your brand voice. Replace generic AI lines with your signature wit. 4. Upgrade visuals. Swap out weird stock clips, tweak the color grading, add your logo, use custom music if possible. 5. Craft the killer hook. The first 3 seconds are everything. Often, the AI's hook needs a human-powered upgrade for maximum grab. 4. Platform optimization is key. A video for TikTok needs different pacing, text size, and format, 9:16 vertical, than one for YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels. Use the AI base, but tailor the final export precisely for each platform. Add relevant hashtags and a compelling caption. 5. Embrace experimentation. Try different AI tools. Pictory, Lumen 5, Synthesia, InVideo, HeyGen, DeepBrain AI. The list grows daily. Feed the same link to multiple platforms and see which output resonates best. Test different voices, visual styles, and music. 6. Track and iterate. Virality isn't random. Use analytics. Which videos get watch time? Which get shares? Which drive traffic back to your site? Double down on what works and refine your prompts and editing accordingly. The future, less automatic, more amplified. The automatically in the title is the tantalizing hook, but the real power lies in the amplification. This technology isn't about replacing human creativity. It's about supercharging it. It removes the massive technical and time barriers to video creation, freeing you to focus on strategy, story, and soul, the elements that truly connect and have the potential to go viral. Imagine a world where your weekly newsletter instantly becomes a digestible video summary for social media. Breaking industry news on your blog is transformed into an urgent news-style clip within minutes. Complex product documentation becomes an engaging animated explainer series. User testimonials are dynamically woven into compelling social proof videos. Your entire back catalog of articles gets a vibrant video second life. The dusty links in your content archive aren't relics. They're dormant viral seeds. The AI video generator is the sunlight and water. This content hack isn't just a shortcut, it's a paradigm shift. It's about meeting the audience where they are, scrolling endlessly, hungry for video, with a value you've already created, repackaged in the most irresistible format possible. So, stop lamenting the lack of engagement on your brilliant text. Stop letting your valuable content languish. Grab that URL, feed it to the digital alchemist, apply your human genius, and hit publish. Your next viral video, born automatically, perfected by you, is waiting to explode on screens everywhere. The hack is here. The tools are ready. Go turn your links into dynamite. Just maybe double check it doesn't generate a literal explosion for your piece on growth hacking. Unless that's your brand, of course. In which case, blow it up. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe. It will really help this channel out. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more informative videos coming.